Yes. Ooh. Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Ooh. Nowhere.
Stiff what?
Where?
No.
Yes, bitch.
No stiff, bitch.
No, none of that.
Shake, bitch.
What?
Shake.
All that. Hello, what's goody? Today's video is a wig install with Eva wigs. So in the package, we have the wig, which is a 12-inch Brazilian straight lace front wig with 13x6 parting space. It has a Swiss lace and it's in the color natural black. They also sent some wig caps, a tail comb, and an elastic band. So yeah, that's how the wig came. It's pre-plucked and it's bleached. The knots are bleached, but I found that there were a few knots that like were not bleached that well, so like I did go in and bleach the knots again. Yes, I did. As you can see here, I mixed my bleach and then I put it on the lace. Okay, so I have washed the bleach out. I toned the, what do you call it? I toned it, then like where I bleached the knots, I toned it. I also did some plucking, but like I don't know anything about that, so like I tried, but I don't even know if I actually did anything. Oh, I don't think I did, because this side's looking dense. Is it just me? Oh, I don't think I did anything, but that's okay. Honestly, I don't really care. Like, to me, it doesn't look so bad, but to a professional, maybe it might look horrible. So here, I already have my ball cap on. If you want a video on how I did that, you can comment below and I'll do it. I added some makeup to the lace, even though the lace was already like brown. I just added a bit of makeup to it, or foundation, I mean. Here, I'm just situating it on my head. And then I go in and I cut it to start gluing it down. You already know I always use the Isha wig glue. There was hair on it. But yeah, this part is sped up because it's pretty self-explanatory. Like, I put the glue, I spread it out, then I blow dry it until it's clear. I only use one coat because I'm not planning on wearing this for super long. And then I press the lace into the glue. And then I blow dry again. And then I do the exact same with the other side as well. Then I go in with the Got To Be Glued Freeze Blast Spray, or whatever it's called. And press that in as well with the tail comb. Gotta make sure that thing is secure, so I honestly use a lot. And then I go in with the blow dryer again, because you want to make sure that thing is secure. So then to cut the lace, I do it in sections. So I cut a piece, then use the razor and saw that off. This lace was so thin. It's a Swiss lace, so it was really good. Super thin, easy to cut. For the ear flaps, I just cut a piece and then I rip the rest, honestly. And then I do the same thing all around the hairline. And that's what it looks like with it all cut off. Honestly, you can kind of see the lace mark on my forehead, but it's just because of the lighting. Honestly, my ring light was a bit too bright. Otherwise, that thing was melted in, baby. Yeah. But I just wanted to make sure that the lace was like super melted. So obviously I wrapped that shit up with my head wrap. And then after about 20 minutes, I'm taking it off. Yeah, girl, tell me that's not melted. Are you guys dumb? That is giving scalpiana. Hi. Okay, so here I was trying to do a side part, but I hated it. I was trying to do baby hairs and I'm not a pro. So I just did this one baby hair and the side and the swoop. What do you call that thing? What is it called? Not a chin strap, but a sideburn. Yeah, sideburn. I have no idea how I want to style this. Like, I'm getting confused. Like, I wanted a side part, but I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do a middle part. I just feel like, did I put the wig too far back? Like, it looks so, my forehead looks huge. Something just doesn't look right here. All right, I'm gonna do a middle part because, yeah, I tried the side part thing, but it's not working out for me. Or should I don't know. I feel like the hairs at the front of this wig are really short compared to the rest. So it just looks weird all around. We're just gonna go with the middle part. I think middle part is just for me, you know what I'm saying? I look like a scary character right now. I genuinely think that I put the wig too far back on my forehead. So my forehead is just looking abnormally large. Yeah, so I flat ironed it, as you could see, and I don't know, I wasn't really feeling it. Because I had my heart set on the side part, but I don't know. But this is definitely giving, like, silk press right now. That genuinely looks like it could be my hair. And then I had an idea. So I wanted to do a little updo, like a partial updo, half up, half down type of thing, with the two strands in the front. So that is what was going on here. That was the vision. Like, it was starting to look cute. And then, yeah, it wasn't doing it for me at all. So I tried again, and I did the pony a little bit higher up this time. Like, this is almost cute, but I don't know. I had a vision, and this wasn't it. Did you guys see where this was going? Like, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna put this in a bun. It could work. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is not what the plan was, but I kind of like this. Like, this is a different look, but I kind of like it. I just feel like my forehead just looks really big. I'll be back.
So yes, I did my eyebrows, put on some lashes, and just went over it again with a flat iron. Let me just say that I absolutely love this hair. Like, this might actually be my favorite wig that I own. This hair is so silky smooth and beautiful. Yes, look at it. Yeah, girl, I didn't add no product. It is just shiny and full of luster.
Well, guys, this is the final look. I'm loving it. I just, like, I don't know. I feel like my forehead is looking extra large. Like, you can kind of see where it's not my forehead and it's the lace or whatever, but I feel like I could have pulled it down a little bit further because it's just making my forehead look so big. But I like it though. It looks good. This wig, I have no complaints right now. Like, the hair is very good quality, as you can see. Like, one pass with the flat iron and it's like so straight. I love the hair. The only thing that I would complain about is the front, like the frontal part of it, the length. I feel like it should be the same length as everything else. You know what I mean? Like, I just feel like it should have been 12 inches all around, but other than that, I have no complaints. I just feel like I personally should have brought the wig further up. But I'm loving it. Like, the lace was super thin, easy to cut, as you guys saw. Yeah, I really have no complaints, like, except for the front. Like, it could have been a bit longer, but yeah. Well, thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, comment a black heart. If you've made it this far, comment a black heart, okay? Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bisous.